Welcome to my channel, IT Teacher. In my previous video, I will give you a small summary. In IP addresses, there are two parts, network parts and host part. IP version 4, 32 bits, classes are A, B, C, D and E. Class A, network part, first 8 bits, host part, rest 24 bits. 0 is the leading bits, minimum value 0, maximum value 127. Range is 0 to 127. Consider the first 8 bits 0 and rest is 7. Host bits are 24. Number of networks, first 8 bits 0 except 0, rest 7. Number of networks 2 to the power 7. Number of hosts per network, hosts bits are 24. 2 to the power 24 minus 2. Minus 2 means last IP address is the broadcast address. Very first IP address is the network address. An example we discussed 10. 10 is a number which is middle of 0 and 127. So it's belong to class A. This is a class A IP address. This is the very first IP address of this network and this is called network ID. And this is 10 to 255, 255, 255 is the broadcast address. Available IP addresses within this range is, as this is network ID, as this is broadcast address. So the available IP addresses are 10 is fixed 10 0 0 1, 2 10 255 255 254. And class B, network part first 16 bits, host part rest 16 bits. 1 and 0 is the leading bit. Minimum value 128, maximum 191. 128 to 191 is the range. Number of networks, except in the network part there are 16 bits except 2 bits which are the leading bits 1 and 0. 16 minus 2, 14. So the number of networks are 2 to the power 14. Number of hosts, hosts bits are 16. So the number of hosts per network is 2 to the power 16 minus 2. Example 128. 128. It's a number which is in the middle of 128 and 191. So this is the very first IP address and this is called network ID. This is broadcast address. Available IP addresses 128, 1 is fixed because in the class B network part is the first 16 bits. Available IP addresses 128, 1, 0, 1, 2, 128, 1, 255, 255. Then we come to the today's lesson, class C. Network parts is first 24 bits. Host part is rest 8 bits. So we can create number of networks but with small number of computers per network. Leading bits are 1, 1, 0. So the minimum value is 192, 110. Then rest 5 zeros, which means 192 is the minimum, 110. Rest 5 ones, which is 223, which is maximum. Network part, there are 24 bits, and except leading bits, 24 minus 3, 21. So the number of networks is 2 to the power 21. Number of hosts per network. Host part is 8 bits. Number of hosts per network 2 to the power 8 minus 2. And class D. Leading bits are 1, 1, 1, 0. This is first 8 bits. Minimum value is 1, 1, 1, 0. Rest 4 zeros. 2, 24. 1, 1, 1, 0. Rest 4 ones. Which is maximum 239. Class D is for multicasting. And class E, first 8 bits, leading bits are 1, 1, 1, 1. Minimum is 240. Maximum is 255. Class D is for research and development purposes. That is the today's lesson, and I hope you can understand what is IP address and what are the classes. So today's lesson is over. Thank you very much.